Bentornati amici, welcome back my friends. This is Simona Cochi, the Italian way, and this is my breaking news studios set up for you to highlight the news and the main features of the upcoming Salone del Mobile along with the bustling and sparkling Fuori Salone. As you've noticed from the cover, there is a huge guest coming over from France. It's Philippe Starck. Philippe Starck is very close to the Italian design industry, is working with all the major companies here in Italy, and he wanted to pay tribute to our outstanding artist and architect Alessandro Mendini, and we are gonna discover together and dive into the shadows, the tight shadows he is having here in Milano during the 16th till the 21 of April 2024. I have to remind you that Salone del Mobile is the fair that is held in Rome for the companies, the products, furniture. It's huge. And then all over Milano there is the Fuori Salone, that is the incredible set of events, presentation and shows, and we used to pop in every single part of Milano along with Fiera. There is so much to experience, and to describe the full schedule of Philippe Starck, I want to get back to my email so that I can easily show you what's on for Philippe Starck. Follow Philippe Starck at the Salone Mobile 15, 21 of April 2024 in town and di Fiera, both. Follow Philippe Starck's Milano Design Week. Design boom for Starck is gonna be I think a live streaming with Design Boom on Monday, April 15, kicking off the Design Week. So there is a lot of digital. It was one of the first to during the lockdown, because I was there and we met mostly professionally through the storytelling, and to try to communicate even if we were locked. And I did a few reviews of his wonderful way of reporting himself on the design events during lockdown. Was really funny. I think it's a very sensitive, and he has a really great vision. And this is an interactive map of Milano in which he pops up. You see, is coming up. And these are the places where you can find products, installations, and initiatives by Philippe Starck. And then you can find Cassina in Via Durini, Duravit, in Roffiera, in showroom, Cartel, Glass Italia, Watt. You can see these iconic features of the materials and the shapes he likes to showcase in the press kit. And what an homage, this is French homage, and then tribute in English, tributo in Italiano, to Alessandro Mendini, the absolute pioneer of the modern design, and at Triennale Milano. And so there will be an installation, and as a part of a partnership along with Fondation Cartier, Cartier Foundation. It's a French, of course, And so they realized this iconic tribute to our Archistar. If you want to know more, you have two ways to know more. One is to surf to triennale.org, and then you will see everything, more details. And then I suggest you go and surf on starck.com, that is the official site of our friend Philippe Starck. Keep on staying tuned, because I have a lot of events lined up to cover, and I don't know if I can be able to cover everything, but yeah, definitely this is my little suggestions on how to enjoy Milano Fashion Week. Keep on staying tuned. Simona Cochi, The Italian Way.